Hey beautiful curlies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Komal and in my channel I talk about everything related to curly hair routine, styling, product reviews, some do's, don'ts, basically everything related to curly hair. And if you are someone who wants to start curly hair journey or has some doubts or questions, you should consider subscribe to my channel. So today video is not planned at all. Someone had a question, so I thought why not address this question, because this question seems very concerning in our curly community, because let's accept that most of curly girls, most of us have done smoothing, straightening, we have treated our hair chemically. So the question relates to that because many of us have doubts, many of us don't know how to start, where to start. So I thought maybe my experience or any tips might help you. So one of my follower from Insta, she has done straightening, hair smoothing or keratin. Now her question is whether she can get her natural curly hair back. First of all, you should know that if you have done smoothing, keratin or straightening, there are different names for this thing. If you have done that, that means that very harsh chemical, very strong chemical has been used on your hair. That's the reason your hair is straight for like 6 months or 1 year, whatever time period it is. And also any normal curly stylers like gel, cream, mousse, which I use on my natural hair, won't work on chemically treated hair. But the question is, you want your natural curly hair, so what to do for that? Do you know our hair sheds every day? You might have noticed that you have hair loss, hair shedding every day. So that's a good news. Why it's a good news? That's a good news because that means you are growing new hair, which means your straight hair won't last for long. You are getting your natural hair from your roots. Chemically treated hair is coming downwards because you are getting new hair from this side. If you have already done straightening, smoothing, anything, the very first thing that you need to do is focus on your hair growth. For hair growth, I would suggest you to take good care of your scalp because your hair grows from your scalp. Your scalp needs to be healthy. You need to treat your scalp very well, and also you need to have good food. Like internally, you need to have all the good things so that your hair grows from inside. You need to have good protein, get your blood check. If you have any deficiency, start getting supplements for that one. Have a good hair oil, start doing massage at least 2 to 3 times a week, and always massage your head upside down so that at least blood comes and flows to your scalp. We do not get good enough blood to this area. If you do yoga or anything, that would help. That's a very good point if you do that. But if you don't do that, at least while doing massage, you can keep your head upside down so that blood circulation is there, and it will help with your hair growth. And now what about curly hair routine? When can you start doing your curly hair routine properly? As I told that normally curly hair cream, mousse or gel, like whatever styler I use, won't be working on your chemically treated hair. So you need to have natural hair before using these products. So if you have like freshly done smoothing or you have all your hair straightened recently, do not waste your money on curly hair products for now because it won't work. So just focus on hair growth. Do not use any products for now. But if in case it's been like 6 months or 1 year and you have already grown natural hair up to a certain length, then we can do something. So for that, what I would suggest is, if your hair has grown up till say here, at least you can start with a shampoo and conditioner. Start using curly hair shampoo and conditioner. Doesn't make your hair curly. It's just hair product with safe ingredients. Normally hair products have harsh chemicals and makes your hair more dry. Anyone, men, women, curly hair, normal hair, straight hair, anyone can use curly hair shampoo and conditioner at least. So you don't need to wait for anything to start with it, shampoo and conditioner. So straightly you can start any day. You can start it after watching this video as well. So if you have grown already good length of your natural hair, what you can do is, I would suggest to get rid of all your straight hair, get it chopped. You do not need those straight hair just to give you illusion that you have lengthy hair. No, you do not need that. Get rid of those um, chemically treated hair if you have grown up this much. But the thing is, you need to be committed that you want natural hair. If you do not want natural hair, and if you are into straight hair, that's purely your decision. But if you are someone who wants to change your hair journey or your routine, you want to adopt purely curly natural hair, then yes, get rid of that straightened hair. And let's say if you have chopped off your all straight hair and now you have all natural curly hair, but that's all dry, it's all frizzy, do not worry, do not worry. To start with, obviously shampoo and conditioner. And second thing I would suggest is start doing your deep conditioning, start doing hair masking. It won't help with the frizz at once, obviously, but it will gradually help with making your hair more nourished, more moisturized, hydrated. If you're a beginner, you haven't done any kind of deep conditioning with your hair, I would suggest doing it once in a week and continue it at least for a year. There are some exceptions. There are some people's hair do not like deep conditioning, what I have heard of, but from my experience, my hair loved deep conditioning. In my beginner's journey, I did my deep conditioning for good 1.5 to 2 years every week. At least start with these two steps, shampoo and conditioning, and then deep conditioning. Then only you can go to styling products and choose your stylers, gel, conditioning, and that's a whole another curly hair routine. You are worried that you won't get your natural curly hair back. No, that's not right. You will get your natural curly hair back. The only thing is you need to be a little bit of patient and you need to do a little bit of more effort to get it back. Otherwise, there are no big such concerns. I get so many questions around this topic that we have done this, whether we'll get back our natural curly hair back or not. Obviously, you will. While talking about this topic, I also want to share that my sister, she did her smoothing for continuous 8 to 10 years. When she was very young, she was in her teenager. She started doing at that time and she just stopped in 2020. And that also when I started forcing her that you do not need to get this chemical, you can start with your natural curly hair and I will help you. So I'll show you photos of her before chemically treated hair, super silky straight hair. It always suited her. Never she had any hair loss or any bad experience with the smoothing. Never. She had a very good experience with smoothing, always suited her. But the thing was here, she was now ready to accept her natural curly hair, which I was very happy. And I was a little bit biased and I was the one who forced her to take this decision. And now her hair is something like this. I have already tried everything on my sister's hair. We focus was only on her hair growth, and she used curly hair shampoo and conditioners just to give nourishment on top of her natural hair that was growing. When she had a good amount of length, then we chopped off ends and then we started using stylers. Before that we never used stylers because every time we used to style on her straight hair, it always failed. There was always waste of my products, waste of my time, my effort, so we stopped doing that. And when we cut off that straight hair and she was left with all natural curly hair, then only we started using curly hair products on her, and this was the result. She had amazing results. And after that she's been like doing deep conditioning. She's not regular with that, but yes, she is doing sometime deep conditioning. And yeah, you can, if she can get back her natural curly hair, you can get your natural curly hair back as well. I have evidence. I am talking to you with evidence, with my good experience. And yeah, do not worry about your hair. If you have straightened, it's not a bad thing to do. You need to pamper yourself anyhow. If you like it straight, that's good, that's okay. If you like it naturally, that's also okay. I hope this video will help clearing your doubts and questions that were revolving around this topic. And if you have such more questions or any doubts, let me know, comment down. I will try to address that, and I'll come up with another video and try to clear all those doubts. So until then, be curly, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.